Are you looking for ways to make money online? In 2023, there will be more opportunities than ever before. Here are some top ways to make money online. First, try selling products online. You can sell products on Amazon or eBay, or even create your own online store using platforms like Shopify. Just choose a niche, find the right suppliers, and start selling. Another way to make money is through online courses. If you have a skill or expertise in a particular area, you can create an online course and sell it through platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Next, consider affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale you make. There are many affiliate networks to choose from, such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Blogging is also a great way to make money online. You can start a blog about a topic you're passionate about and monetize it through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Finally, consider becoming a freelancer. You can offer your services in a variety of fields, from writing and graphic design to social media management and programming. Sites like Upwork and Freelancer make it easy to find work. There you have it, some of the top ways to make money online in 2023. Which one will you choose? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.